Unlock your Lash Artistry, a DIY lash mapping tutorial for stunning extensions. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today, we will be unlocking your lash artistry with this DIY lash mapping tutorial for stunning extensions. Ready to ditch the salon and become your own lash guru? This comprehensive guide will empower you to master DIY lash mapping, creating customized, head-turning extensions that perfectly complement your unique features. Let's dive in and unleash your inner lash artist. Lash mapping is more than just sticking on extensions. It's a strategic technique for planning the precise placement of different lengths, curls, and thicknesses. Think of it as architectural design, but for your eyes. This detailed blueprint ensures a balanced, symmetrical, and utterly flattering result that enhances your natural beauty. It's all about creating harmony and balance. By carefully considering your eye shape, desired style, and the health of your natural lashes, lash mapping allows you to craft a personalized look that accentuates your best features and elevates your overall appearance. Before you even think about picking up an extension, let's assess your canvas. Understanding your eye shape, spacing, and natural lash condition is crucial for a successful and stunning outcome. This is where the artistry truly begins. Different eye shapes thrive with specific lash styles. Almond eyes are incredibly versatile, while round eyes benefit from elongated styles like a captivating cat eye. Hooded eyes can be opened up with strategically placed lashes in the center, and small eyes can appear larger with a playful doll style. Deep-set eyes need length and lift to bring them forward. Consider your eye angle. Are they upturned, downturned, or straight? This will influence your lash map to ensure a harmonious and balanced look. It's all about creating the perfect frame for your eyes. Eye spacing plays a vital role in creating a balanced look. For close-set eyes, use longer lengths towards the outer corners to visually widen the gap. Avoid doll eye styles, as they can accentuate the closeness. Be honest with yourself about the health of your natural lashes. Fine, delicate lashes can't support the weight of longer, thicker extensions. Prioritize the health of your natural lashes to ensure long-lasting and beautiful results. What look are you aiming for? Natural, cat eye, doll eye, or full-on volume? Having a clear vision will guide your lash mapping process and ensure you achieve your desired aesthetic. Let's explore the exciting world of lash extension styles. From subtle enhancements to dramatic transformations, there's a style to suit every personality and occasion. Enhances your natural lashes without drastically changing their appearance. Perfect for everyday wear and a subtle boost of confidence. Applied one at a time, classic lashes are subtle and perfect for everyday wear. A great starting point for those new to lash extensions. Combines classic and volume applications for a textured, wispy, yet natural look. The best of both worlds. Multiple lightweight lash extensions are applied to each natural lash for a fuller look. Get ready to turn heads. Mimics a bold, winged eyeliner, providing fullness and density. Uses finer extensions and more lashes per fan than regular volume lashes for a thicker, fluffier finish. For the ultimate lash statement. Longer, thicker lashes are applied to the outer corner, tapering towards the inner corner to create a lifted, elongated appearance. Channel your inner feline. Longer, more dramatic lashes are placed in the center of the lash line, with lashes tapering towards the outer and inner corners for a wide-eyed look. Achieve that innocent and captivating gaze. Creates a delicate, feathery appearance, perfect for a soft and romantic look. Curl type is another crucial element in lash mapping. Different curls create different effects, so choosing the right ones is essential for achieving your desired look. Slight curl at the end, suitable for volume and lift without excessive drama. A subtle and natural option. Straight base with a curl tip, providing more lift than a J-curl. Adds a touch of elegance. Mimics the shape of a naturally curled lash, and is considered the most popular. A versatile and universally flattering choice. The curliest option, providing dramatic volume and lift. For those who want to make a statement. Now for the fun part. Let's dive into the practical techniques of lash mapping. Map on the skin first, with eyes open, to ensure accuracy. This allows you to visualize the final result and make adjustments as needed. Consider the client's face shape to ensure the lash design complements their overall features. Mark the desired lengths and transitions on under eye pads. This will serve as your guide during the application process. Divide the lash line into sections to guide the placement of different lengths and curls. This ensures a balanced and symmetrical result. Use different colors of lash extensions to create unique effects. Experiment with subtle pops of color for a personalized touch. Inner corners need extra care. Use extensions close to the natural lash length in the inner corner, but don't be afraid to go shorter for an eyeliner illusion. Ready to bring your lash map to life? Follow these simple steps for a flawless DIY lash application. Clean and dry your natural lashes to remove any oils or makeup. This ensures proper adhesion of the extensions. Apply a thin layer of lash bond to the base of your lashes. Wait 30 seconds for it to get tacky. Use an applicator to place lash clusters underneath your natural lashes, following your lash map. Apply a light coat of sealant to lock the lashes in place and remove any stickiness. Gently squeeze the lashes with the applicator for a secure hold. Remember these crucial tips for achieving lash perfection. Don't blindly follow the natural lash shape. Simply extending each lash proportionally to its natural length can lead to unflattering results. Inner corners need extra care. Use extensions close to the natural lash length in the inner corner, but don't be afraid to go shorter for an eyeliner illusion. Use multiple curls for a natural effect. Don't be afraid to mix different curls across the lash line for a more seamless, eye-enhancing look. Customize your lash map by mixing different lengths and styles for a unique effect. Align clusters with your natural lash line for a seamless blend. Use a slight upward angle to create lift and openness. Apply lighter pressure on inner corners to maintain a natural gradient. Ready to transform your lashes and unleash your inner lash artist? Take action now. Subscribe to our channel for more lash tips and tutorials. Share this guide with your fellow lash enthusiasts, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite lash mapping techniques. Let's create a community of confident and empowered lash artists.